we are going to do a beautiful look with the Violet Voss PRO Ride Die palette. Starting with Maria, which is a deep purple, we're cutting the crease. Blending that in, of course you can probably see I've got some facial scarring that makes this a little challenging. Next, in the corner, I'm building up with Carly, which is a deep navy blue. And I'm really just cutting in that cat's eye right here. Again, using Carly. And this is what it looks like prior to me painting in my crease. And here you go, we're just using a little bit of concealer to create a new crease because I have tremendously hooded eyes. And I'm blending out that concealer where I'm going to create a new eye shape. I'm trying to be really careful with the brush here to create that new shape. Next, I am taking Jane, which is a metallic gold, right in the center of the lid. And I'm just fluffing that on the side just a little bit. And I'm smoking out with some Carly, which is that navy blue again. And just kind of cleaning up my edge. And fluffing my edge. And I used just a little bit of concealer on the other side with the Jane again in the middle. And then I am using Michelle on the inner part of my lower lid, both sides. And Michelle is just a off-white color. And a little bit of Michelle also at the crease. And I'm going to use Rock and Coal Barbarella Brown on my waterline. And then I'm going to smoke that out. And that's from Charlotte Tilbury. And you can see the finished eye look. The upper brow bone directly under the arch has a dab of Fiona, by the way, for that sparkle. Here you can see me painting in a very, very thin line on the upper lash unit using my Anastasia of Beverly Hills liquid liner in black. And I am going to pull a cat's tail underneath the flap on the outer corner of my hood, always keeping it super, super thin and relying on the makeup to provide the cat's eye for me, or I should say the eyeshadow. A little bit of Charlotte Tilbury Fat Lashes 5-in-1 mascara. And I am using a metallic from Wet n Wild in Satin Sheets for the lip color. No liner, just straight metallic lipstick. And there you go. You can check out my eye shape that I created. I think this is a beautiful take on a Persian look. I really, really like Persian makeup. And I am playing around with cut creases to try to look a little bit more like I have deep set eyes. Thank you for joining me. I send you all the love. I appreciate your support. Like, comment, share, subscribe.